Hello friends, there are various methods to share on your timeline, on your Facebook page or Instagram. When you will post on your Instagram, the post will be showed on Twitter, Facebook, etc. Now I am going to show you a demo as my personal experience. I am going to posting on Instagram. You are going to see that there is my first post 9 minutes ago. Now I am going to post another. This is Himalaya Parbat, the mountain of Pakistan. Proud of Pakistan. I am going to next. And now it is shared, and you are going to see that it is also. But before that, I want to see you that my Facebook profile pic before posting. I'm going to check my profile. My internet connection is some slow. You have to see that there is 10 minutes ago profile pic profile pic is published. Now I am going to post via Instagram. And it is finishing up. And let's see, 3 seconds ago it is finished. Now I will check my Facebook profile pic. I have to refresh it. First I will go. You have to see that there is the same pic of Himalaya Parbat just now is shared. Thank you.